Hi, my name is Mike Levin. I work with Municipal Treatment, and today we're going to talk about working on a Depolox 3 or a Depolox 5, such as a unit like this here on the wall. This is a Depolox 3. Over here I have a Depolox 3, just the unit by itself, and what I want to do is I want to point out how to do a PM on one of these. When you start with one of these, you're going to have the large nut on the top. Just loosen that nut, take that off, take the top off, and this will be left. All you have to do is pull this out. Normally this would be full of water, so you're going to lose all of your sand and all the water on there. So this is the center portion here. This is where your electrolyte gel would normally go, and you replace that by taking this top cover or that plug out there. What we want to do is we want to replace these membranes down here. So loosen up the wire clamp that's there, the bottom cup here. You're going to take that off completely, and you're going to end up with all the wires showing up down here in the bottom, such as this. So all I do is you can pull all the wires off. The reason why is if you look at the very bottom of this, you can see where all the different color code of the wires will land on where the color code there goes. So it's not that big a deal to pull all the wires. Then all you want to do is loosen up this large nut, or the small nut, I'm sorry, in the center here. Loosen that nut, remove it, and then you just want to pull that center column out. Pull it straight up and out, like that. Okay? If you look down inside of here, you'll see two ribbons. Those are actually the probes down inside there. And if you're doing a full-blown rebuild after about 5 or 7 years, you'll actually pry those out and you will pull them, and that actually pulls these probes out. And inside here, there are several O-rings that you have to replace also inside these holes. Okay? But right now, we're just going to go over replacing these membranes. And you can see there's two membranes, one on either side of here. So to take them out, all that you want to do is put a screw into the side and then just pull, and that whole unit comes out just like that. Okay? You can do the same thing with the other side. Screw it into the side like so, and then just pull. And then all you have to do is when you get your new ones, all you have to do is just press them back in that place, like so, and like so, and now you've just replaced the membranes on that. Now to put it all back together, all you want to do is just do the exact same thing in reverse. Remember to put this nut on the right side, the larger side down, and you want to go ahead and hook up all your wires and line those up. The main part of this, the ending part of this, is when you put this back together, you must make sure that this hole in the bottom of here lines up with this rod that's sticking out the back side of there. Okay? So what you want to do is push that up, and you want to make sure that this portion right here is flush, and if it isn't, you have to turn it until it is flush and locks into place. If you don't do that, it will not flow any water through there and won't give you the proper readings. When you're all done doing all of this, all you need to do is put this back together, fill this up with your electrolyte solution with your syringe and your hose, and you're all done. Thanks for watching.